Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm showing you guys how to hide your screws with plugs. In this case, we're using dowels. Let's get started. What you'll need is a spade bit, or you can also use a Forstner bit. I'm using a 3/8 spade bit for this project. You can also use these plug cutters. I'm just going to assume that most of you don't have plug cutters or a drill press, but these are a great option as well. Get the same thing done. And of course you'll need your plug, or in this case a 3/8 dowel. You just want to make sure that it matches whatever bit you're using. And of course, a drill. I went ahead and marked where we're going to drill out our counter bores, and you just want to place the tip of your bit right in the center of that. When it comes to boring out holes, I got this tip from Bourbon Moth Woodworking, and you want to start in reverse. So start drilling down to your left counterclockwise, and then flip it to clockwise and finish drilling it out. This will give you the cleanest hole. Check out Bourbon Moth Woodworking. I learned a lot from him. Now you can go ahead and fasten your screw as you normally would. Alright, let's go ahead and plug this thing. We'll need some wood glue, our dowel, and I like to take a piece of scrap wood to pour the wood glue onto. That way I don't put too much on the dowel. You just kind of get the dowel on the glue, roll it around a couple times, get it on the bottom, and that should be plenty. Then you want to grab a mallet of your choice and just tap this puppy in. And before cutting away the excess, I just like to wipe off the glue just so it's not all over my saw. Now you can take whatever flush cut trim saw you have. I love using these Japanese pull saws, and you just want to cut that dowel flush. Then we can sand the dowel just so it's really nice and flush. You shouldn't be able to feel anything protruding if you run your hands across. And there you have it, a super simple way to cover up those ugly screws, and it adds just a little bit of accent to your piece. Hope you guys liked this one. Let me know down in the comments what else you guys do to cover those screws, and I'll see you guys next week.